trying to suck on your toes.
I'll kick her in the house.
I see your toes.
I'm gonna fuck you up, nigga.
Look at his toes, come here, Chill. Look at his toes. He won't even put on his sock because I'm right here. Oh,
Don't
no.
make yourself.
Chill, come here.
Oh,
it's okay, man. We all got toes.
Nah, mine are ugly.
Mine's
like
your
it.
fucking hairy.
Yeah, you wanna start shit?
No, okay, don't pull them off.
Fuck you.
I said mine's are fucking hairy. I never said.
What, your toes?
Yeah.
I know everybody's on.
Let's see your toes. I don't know why, dude. What the fuck? I don't know why.
Man! Quit looking at my face. Y'all fucking bullshit. How much money you got, DT?
I ain't got shit.
You broke ass nigga.
I didn't bring nothing. I had money yesterday. I had like $40.
Yeah? Guess how much I got? Don't worry about it.
You don't even know. You didn't check your bank statement today.
What the fuck you talking about?
Nothing. You got some funky toes.
Man, shut the fuck up! Everybody on the football team, let's talk some shit.
You know.